Hi Eagles! Today I'm going to walk you through how to administer an online assessment using Mastery Manager. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Assessments and then access any assessment that you have already created in Mastery Manager. This assessment should already have your answer key loaded, and then you'll go right up to the top and you will click on Online. Once you are online, it will allow you to set up this assessment to give electronically. So the first thing you need to do is select the classes, the class periods that you would like to administer this assessment. So I would like to administer it for periods 2 and 3, so I'll just click Activate Assessment. If I would like to choose when this assessment can be started and then when it will finish, I would just click this right here and then choose my times. I'm not going to do that just because it makes things a little bit sticky if students are absent or if students have extended time. I will then scroll down to the bottom. I will click Require the student to log in using a secure browser, and I'll show you what that means in just a minute. I can set a time limit if I'd like. I'm going to allow students to flag questions for their own review, so they can just kind of flag it as one that they would like to take a look at later. And then I'm also going to allow them to eliminate incorrect responses, which basically allows them to use the process of elimination, but electronically. And then I'm also going to show the student their final score when they have finished. So as soon as they click Submit, their final score will actually show up. And then the last thing I need to do here is upload my actual test. So I'm going to click on Choose File, and I am going to select my test. It is my Chapter 2 test, and it will upload it as a PDF. Then I'll go right down here to the bottom. I will click Save. Once I've clicked Save, these codes are going to appear for each of my 2 class periods that I'd like to administer this test. I will provide the students with this code, and that's how they will actually access the assessment. Once you've shared the exam code with your students, they'll need to make sure they are logged out of their Chromebooks, head to the bottom left-hand corner of the login screen, click on Exam Login, click on I have a test code, enter the actual test code, and then enter their student ID. Students will then click Find and confirm that the name that appears on the screen is in fact their name. Once they have done so, the assessment will appear. The actual PDF of the assessment will be on the left-hand side of the screen, and their bubble sheet will be on the right side. Students can then complete the assessment as usual and click on I am finished when they are done. Thanks for watching, Eagles! Be sure to stop by the Mastery Manager Snack and Learn, where Vicki Ecker and Lauren Olson will go a little bit more in depth, and they will cover how to add an item bank in Mastery Manager, how to randomize questions, what it looks like for kids while they're taking this online assessment, and how to use that data in your classroom. See you in the tea room!